Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. This is going to be a quick video. So I made a video on how to get approved for Webull's options trading, but that was just for the cash account. And if you want to check out that video, link is down below so you can get approved first. Then I realized that there are people that also want to trade with margin on Webull, which is super risky. So for those of you who don't know what you're doing, don't trade with margin because you're going to be trading on borrow money. And if anything happens, you could blow up your entire account. So I'm just warning you. So for those of you who just signed up for options trading on Webull, some of you might just get the basic long puts or long calls, which is totally fine because it's just in your cash account. And for those sophisticated investors who want to trade options on Webull, that's going beyond the basic long calls and long puts. You're going to need a margin account. Then you can do covered calls, cash secure puts, and other spreads for your liking. And if you don't have Webull yet, go ahead and sign up and get 2 free stocks with them. That's value up to $1,600. Then you have a little bit more money to trade options. So first things first, you're gonna need to have at least $2,000 to get started to open a margin account. If you have that, go ahead and click on the more icon on your account, then click on account details and scroll all the way down and click on change my account type. If you have any exclamation marks on any of these areas, you'll just need to follow the instructions to correct it. The most common area you'll see with an exclamation mark is stock lending income program. And if you see an exclamation mark on there, all you'll have to do is just turn it off and wait 2 days or so, and they'll notify you once you have opted out of that program. The stock lending income program is nothing really important. They just market it as passive income for you for owning stocks, but they only give you like a fraction of a percent for just buying stocks on their platform. So it's not like it's important if you're trying to get a margin account. And honestly, they don't give you much, but you'll need to have all the check marks before going on to the next step. On this part, they'll give you a little disclaimer saying that you won't be able to trade and withdraw money out of your account while the switch is in progress. It says that it'll take up to 6 business days, so make sure to close out any high risky position that you don't want to hold during this process because you won't be able to do anything. And if you don't have anything you want to sell or close out, click on switch while holding positions and it'll take you to the disclosure page. Read all of that if you have time, then sign and hit upgrade. It says that it'll take approximately 6 business days, but for me, they just finish it within 3 business days. So yeah, if you do get approved, they'll slowly start you off with covered calls and cash secure puts. And of course, this depends on your experience level. But if you want to do spreads or those sophisticated options, you can always hit reapply for options again to unlock a higher tier of options trading since you have the margin account. Again, trading margin is super risky and it's in the category of high risk, high reward. But of course, there's strategies to minimize your risk if you have proper risk management in place. I'm currently doing a few covered calls and added another $10,000 into my account for trading, and I'll let you know how that goes in the future. If you like this explanation or have any questions, feel free to give it a like and comment down below. And maybe consider subscribing to see what I'll be trading in the future. Hope this was helpful. I'll catch y'all later.